Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video from my good friends at IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma. As you can see, a little bit of everything here. I always say that as I start these videos because I never know what I'm going to find. I don't pre-plan this. I walk around just like you can walk around the day before the auction and just see if there's something that might strike your fancy. See if there's something that you'd like to be sitting in your driveway, or perhaps see the scariest car you've ever owned, and all of the hate and all of the anger just comes right back to you. Such is the case with this car right here. If you're familiar with the channel, you know the Bimmer. Yep, I had myself one of these BMW 135i convertibles that I had such high hopes of getting running and enjoying and driving with the top down. And nothing went as planned. Nothing at all. Okay, I bought it with some suspension damage, and I think it was actually on this side as well. And it was parked in front of Mom and Tom's house for months and months. I dragged it to Tulsa and continued working on it. This is a 2009, and this thing, I could never get it all fixed. I never had the top down. I never could. Never got it to work. I would fix something and two more things would break. I would drive it and it was so full of rattles and everything else. I hated the car, and I had it for way too long. It was black on the inside, charcoal black on the outside. It was a good looking car, but it was just a hot mess. It really was. And it even gives Tom bad memories. He reminds me of that almost every time I go up there to see them in Bartlesville. But this one smells better than mine did. It's in better shape than mine does. Right before I sold it, this thing stopped working, which is a common occurrence. This controls your screen right there, and like everything else in the car, just decided it did not want to work at all. This, as you can see, has power. So without further ado, let's relive some bad memories. Yeah, here we go. Are you ready? Let's see what she sounds like. There's that bell chime. Here we go. Oh, this one sounds better. This one sounds a lot better. Okay, so the car has not been here too long. We have an oil change, 2 of 6 of 23, 78,000 miles. We got 79,000 miles right now. Holy, that even works. That didn't work in mine. Yeah. Well, that works too. Okay. Yep. Look at this. This is a diamond in the rough. All the windows work. Even this little guy right there. Holy moly. Okay, is this going to change my mind? I don't know. I love the way these cars look. I liked the way it drove when it did drive. These were fun little cars. I'm trying to listen at the engine right now. These have the adaptive headlights. So your 128s don't. They have just a regular headlight. The 135 have the adaptive headlights, and at the time, they were like $500 or $600 a piece, used. And the rotors on these and the brakes on these were way more expensive than the 128s. Okay, even the trunk button works. Did not work on my car. Let's check out the little bitty trunk right here. Get yourself a new antenna. Why is this here? It's listed as collision. Okay, I've never seen a full trunk like this because mine was always full of parts. It was always full of parts, and it was leaking. One of the cylinders for the no, it was the motor itself that was bad, I believe, in mine. So I could never activate this, and I could never get the tonneau cover to latch. That's why it was so rattly. I think I still have the front wheel from mine. Oh my goodness, don't fall in love, Mike. Don't fall in love. Yep, I never got to see my engine all put back together. This was always kind of askew. I was missing some of these bolts right here. Engine sounds good. Okay, I had a leaky power steering reservoir as well. One of these were kind of broken. I had to replace this. Where's your little turbos? Okay. Well, this is something I'm not used to. I gotta tell you, I like it. Oh no. Ah! Oh, it wants to close. It's ready to close by itself. And this has a little protective. So whoever had this car took care of it. I don't know why you're here though. I don't see damage. It's got to be underneath doing something, which would, oh gosh, these are a pain to work on anything near the engine because they pack so much in that little engine bay. But this is like a, not a, I don't want to say boy racer's car. This is a little more refined. Okay, it's got the wood and the taupe. This is common. Yeah, that doesn't want it. There, come on. There it is. There are rear seats. Whoa, that person liked to lean back. There are rear seats, but it's really not comfortable back there for anybody. Not that anybody was ever in mine. Look at the little bitty, well, I guess they took that off. Okay. This one works. Little bitty mirrors. I guess it just got real dirty and you just can't. I don't want to break it. Okay. Well, dag nabbit. Should I fall in love with a supermodel again? Holy moly. Seats work. Seat all directions. I want to do the top, but I don't want to get in trouble. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, let's just kind of see if the iDrive still works. It does. There you go. See that? There it is. Now let's do the little radio action real quick. 1069, I listened to that myself. Okay. There you go. Have anybody, any money, any meany, anybody. I can't sing. Oh gosh, Mike, don't do it. Do not do it. I want to do it. I really want to. I love this car. They're so fun. Crap. All right. The video's not even over yet, and I want this thing. Should I? Should I not? You got to let me know. Be honest. Don't. It could, because it could really be a huge risk, or it could be just so much fun. Wow. It's like seeing someone across the bar and you want to go talk to them and they're like really hot. She's really, really hot, and you could get burned or you could get lucky. I don't know. It's been a long time. Okay, we're going to move on and we're going to write this number down because this is gorgeous, baby. Here's a vehicle you may find very interesting. I did because of a couple of embellishments. Let's just say that. Okay, 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer in blue, and I like the blue. This is a good looking color. It really is. The car itself, well, let's kind of walk around very quickly. We do have some scratches right down here. We have a couple of dings. This adjuster was kind enough to point them out. We have some paint issues right here. Yep. But as far as embellishments, well, have you ever seen a tailpipe stick out that far? That's like a tripping hazard. And I think you could probably even take it off. That was well put on. That's some workmanship right there. Yeah, okay. That's nice. Scratching continues over through here. We have some more door dings. A lot of stuff going on right here. Tires seem to be, well, there's a little bit. How long has this been there? It has eaten its way through there, and it's been held up with wire. So this car, it's been well maintained. Yeah, this was a lucky girl. She's been bleeding for a while, resting for a while. On the inside, let me show you what they did. This is kind of cool. This is your first clue. It's a little bit off, and let me show you how they fixed it. there you go. You grab an old screwdriver from like 1929 and you just shove it down there. Look how they built screwdrivers back then. Look at that. It's like a bolt all the way through. I want to take it out. I'm more interested in this than the rest of the car. I just think that's cool. Okay, on the inside, it's nice. It's okay. Nothing special about it. But we don't have power. And we don't even... There's not even a... There's no key. How does this work? Well, I can't even show you. I can't show you what it sounds like or anything like this. This is an attempt to try to be sporty. Yeah. Okay. Well, doggone it. Where is the other part of the ignition? Where's the key? Oh, wait. Is this it right here? Oh. Here we go. Does it even work? Yeah, she's dead as a doornail. This car is dead as a doornail. And the key, the way they had it, it looks like it's just part of the trim. Okay, well, it's a Lancer. It is what it is, okay? Hand shifters. Let's just look at the engine just to see what it might have for us. And here she is, complete with a roll of sandpaper. Is that what this is all scratched up for? That's what they did. They took the sandpaper. Why? Why would you do that? The engine is really dirty. It is really dirty. Fluids, look how dirty. Yeah, your power steering fluid is black. You do have a little bit of coolant in there. Oil. Ugh. You have way too much. And it's kind of milky. Could this be a head gasket issue? Is that why the coolant is way down almost at the bottom right there? Let's look at this. Ugh. Come on, open up. I bring a rag these days now because I get dirty looking at these cars. Okay, well, nothing there, and you can't see it because there's a little tray that hides everything. But yeah, with that, just with the oil alone and having way too much. And why would you do this with sandpaper and then leave the sandpaper there? If you I don't want to say what's going on with this car. I can't. I'm sorry. We're just going to go on. I'm not going to bad talk anybody. Not anymore. All right, we're going to leave the Lancer right in the lot. Yep, the Lancer stays in the lot. It's not even worth it. But I got to tell you, that Bimmer, oh, what would I even call that? The Bimmer left such a horrible taste in my mouth. I just had such a bad experience with that car. This one is nice. It was well taken care of. It sounded good. The iDrive worked. Oh, what a conundrum. Well, that's a good Seinfeld word. Yeah, I got to think about it. I really, really do. All right, let me know what you think about the Beamer, the better Beamer, the bronze Beamer, the beige Beamer, all kinds of words for it. Yeah, let me know what you think. We have people walking up right now and they're kind of looking at me like I'm a weirdo. That's okay. And people are driving cars. They're not supposed to be putting these cars into gear and moving them back and forth, but some people are. Not cool, people. When you don't follow the rules, everybody else has to pay the price. Yeah, I don't like to see that at all. Anyway, glad you guys were here. Thank you very much. Leave a comment on the Beamer. Let me know what you think, and maybe I'll take your advice. All right, have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.